do we want? Not again. Now I'm gonna pick my card.
Tom, are you here? What is it?
Hello guys! Daddy! How are you here so fast? I bought this Hotwheel place. It's a 2 happen and scooter later 5. Daddy, what you would open first?
This small one.
Okay, I put this down here. Okay, let's open here. Turn it up. I think so. What are the instructions? We'll see the instructions first. Instructions. Okay, let's click. Okay, let's open it. It's so very so. Wow! Look at the elevator. The elevator. Oh, this is the elevator. Go over here. Then step up and down. Whoop. And this is the Hotwheels running go. What's this? Bố hôm mình chưa có này đúng không?
Chưa có mà.
Đúng rồi. Mình chỉ có 4 track thôi.
Okay, come on.
Okay, this is Victor. What's this now? What's this one? Oh, look at inside. Okay. So we can do that here. Wow, look at this. The elevator jump. Look at this marching. Oh, what's this? Slipper? Oh. Oh, it's a computer card. This card is something over here. As I open this was. No. And 2 tall tracks and 1 in itty bitty track. Research! What's research? Hello guys, I have a piece of rod, but I showed you this already. And then I can run out this. You see? I'm going to put this around. Okay, put this. And let this out. And hit this. And control. Control the Hotwheels. I know. I'm the strong duck. Ducker? Yeah. And here. I think it's here. Okay? And then piece together. Over here. Keep it. Close it. Look at this. I'm going to keep this. And I stop it. Snap. See? Snap in. Put in. And I keep this and put in the try it. No. I think this. And But then I have a new farm truck. But I can show you already. I have a new one over there. You know, it's the attack of dinosaur. But then we learn it later. And again, it's look. Ta-da, guys! See? See, it's going. It's going to chance. See? I have playing with her. See guys? See that? See that? Say again. 1, 2, 3, 1. Not again. Now I can pick my car. My car Flash. Flash, it can go in. 1, 2, 3. See? It's going. Oh, I have an idea. We can collect the other trucks in a flat place. But first, we're going to play on this one.
Okay.
This can go up and down. See? And now I'm going to play up. Now I'm going to play put up. I have Missy down here. I'm going to put it here. Not very well. That's not it. It's party. Cool, huh?